Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. Let's start by tapping to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left and pick the settings option, so we get access to advanced camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down to the general settings category, and now at the second position we can see save location info option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see the photo let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. Let's tap to the center to get access to the gallery options, and now let's go to the right corner at the bottom. Here we have to pick the details, and at the last position now we can see the location with full address. Also when we tap on it we get quick access to Google Maps and we can check our location at map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.